Welcome, in front of me is an Honor Magic V5, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So even though in the description it might say SIM and SD card, this is kind of more of an automated title, so I'm gonna point that out right now. There is no SD card support right here, unless you're using maybe something like this Type-C to which with the SD card. You could just plug it into your charging port and it would work, but other than that, like you typically expect SD card support, there is none. Now, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which is similar to this one. Will come provided with the device in the box, and if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip. There's 10 on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, you'll need to take off the case, which you probably have on your device. The easiest way to do so is just place your fingers on the camera, right here, and push the very bezel off, like so, and it just comes off. Now, at the bottom, you'll find your SD card tray, so I'm just going to get the light to shine correctly. There we go. So you can see it right here. Grabbing your tool, see where it's sitting right here. Push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side, and let's quickly check. Yep, so this is just SIM card. The reason I'm checking is because this is Honor, which previously was part of Huawei, and Huawei has its own proprietary nano memory storage, which is exactly the same size and shape as a SIM card. But here we don't have NM labels, so it means that it doesn't support it. Anyway, once you clip the card in the tray, it should be completely flush in the tray and shouldn't be falling out if you flip it upside down. Next, just insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. Oh, there we go. So enter SIM card pin, I'll do that. And this unlocks my SIM card, and the card is now ready to be used. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.